Understanding API Authentication.
That's API authentication is the process that helps ensure only authorized users or apps can access your API. Without proper authentication, anyone could send requests, exposing sensitive data or functions. Establishing secure authentication methods is a core part of protecting your API from misuse and potential breaches. Let's explore straightforward strategies to keep your API safe and secure.
API keys, simple and popular.
API keys are a common method for basic authentication. When a client wants to use your API, they're given a unique key, like a password, to include in each request. While easy to implement, API keys are best for identifying users, not fully authenticating them. Always keep keys secret. Use HTTPS and regularly rotate keys for added security.
OAuth, stronger user authentication.
This is a robust, widely used protocol for API authentication. It lets users grant your API access to certain data without sharing passwords. OAuth uses access tokens to authorize and authenticate requests, offering more flexibility and improved security. Services like Google, Facebook, and Twitter rely on OAuth to let apps safely interact with user data.
JWT, secure and flexible tokens.
JSON Web Tokens, or JWTs, securely transmit authentication data between parties. When a user logs in, your server issues a signed token that's sent with API requests. The server checks the token's signature to verify requests. JWTs are compact, easy to use, and allow stateless authentication, which means your server doesn't need to store session data.
Best practices for API protection.
Combine multiple strategies for the strongest protection. Always use HTTPS to encrypt traffic between clients and your API. Set rate limits to prevent abuse and regularly monitor for suspicious activity. Expire and rotate tokens or keys routinely. A layered approach to authentication and monitoring makes it much harder for unauthorized users to gain access.